Are you wondering how to see the number of visitors to your WordPress site, know who's reading your content and buying your products? Well, in today's video, we'll show you the easiest way to check those numbers so you can begin implementing strategies to grow your site. When you start a business, no doubt you've invested a certain amount of time, money, and expertise, and you've got a certain set of numbers in mind that are goals for your site. Now, knowing how many people are coming to your site, who they are, and what they do once they get there gives you insight so that you can start optimizing your WordPress site. Google Analytics is a great tool for getting all that information and more, but it can be very intimidating for beginners because it's so complex. Now, in order to maximize the benefits of Google Analytics, you'll need to have some coding knowledge, or you'll need to hire an expert to do the job for you. Thankfully, MonsterInsights simplifies the setup process and allows you to see important statistics without ever leaving your site. Now, once you've installed the plugin and connected it to your Google Analytics account, you'll begin to gather information about your site's visitors. Keep in mind that Google may take a few hours to gather your site's information and data. Now, once that happens, you'll begin seeing the number of visitors on your site. To see an overview of your reports, you just need to log into your WordPress site, and then on the admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Insights. Then click on Reports. The Overview report includes some of the key metrics that are useful for getting to know your website's visitors. The first section shows you a visual graph for the total number of sessions and page views that your site has received in a defined range of time. You can easily set the time range to 7 days, 30 days, or any days that you desire. Now, just below that graph, you'll see data showing the total number of sessions, page views, average session duration, and bounce rate. Then you'll see new versus returning visitors and device breakdown data in percentages in pie charts just below that. Now, as you keep scrolling down the page, you'll see the top 10 countries where your visitors are located. You can see where you get the most visits from and the actual number of visitors. Now, the last section of the overview report is top posts and pages, where you can see the most popular posts and pages on your site and the total number of visits that they have received. Now, if you'd like to know how many visitors are on your site right now, you can see your real-time visitor statistics and their activity right in your dashboard. Now, to do that, just go to your admin sidebar, then hover your mouse over Insights. Then click on Reports. Then click on the Real-Time link at the top of the page. Now, with this report, you'll see the number of active users on your site at any given moment, their geographic location, the pages that they're viewing, and more. The Google Analytics real-time reports are useful to view and analyze the reports of your marketing campaigns, announcements, and lots more. Now, at the top of the page, next to the Overview Report tab, you'll see the Publishers tab. Now, in this tab, you'll see your top landing pages and top exit pages. Next, you'll see your top outbound links, top affiliate links, top download links, and interest categories. While this is great for seeing the number of visitors, the demographics data that displays visitors by age and gender is especially helpful in content planning. In the e-commerce report, you'll see data such as your conversion rates, the number of transactions, how much revenue that you've generated, and the average order value. And you'll see a list of your e-commerce shop's top products. That way you'll know which products to continue promoting.